Yeah, just minutes ago, Monsignor Craig actually posted on Facebook. He said, "Dear friends, I just learned that I'm on temporary administrative leave of my duties at St. Francis Parish pending an investigation into allegations brought against me. I'm heartbroken that I will not be able to fulfill the mission that God has given me. My entire priesthood has been devoted to service to God and his people. I've been honored to serve the people of the Central Valley for the past 31 years. I'm also saddened that in today's climate of fear, I have not been given any information to allow me to defend my honor and service to Christ. I do not know the motives of my accusers, any names, or the contents of any allegations against me. I'll vigorously defend my honor from these allegations and look forward to my good name being cleared. Please keep me in your prayers during this trying time. Yours in Christ, Monsignor Craig Harrison." And of course, we'll continue to keep you updated on air and online. We're going to have this entire statement from Monsignor Craig on our website, turn23.com.